I actually got this £80 advent calendar for £13.71. Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on just so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I am uploading back to back. Yesterday we did a full unboxing of the 12 days advent calendar from Makeup Revolution, which just looks like this, the Ultra Glamour collection. So if you want to see what is inside this, then I'll leave it linked down below. I didn't know, so all this stuff now has gone up to the actual price that they're going to be on Superdrug's website. This is meant to be £80. I thought it was meant to be 30. Have I got my teeth now? I thought it was meant to be 30. It's meant to be £80. So yeah, I'll leave that link down below if you want to go check it out. And tomorrow we are going to be unboxing this bad boy. So this is the chocolate vault tin from Revolution, one of the Christmas gift sets again. And this is also meant to be £80 as well. So we'll go through all of this tomorrow. I have just picked up 2 more gift sets as well from Superdrug this morning. I am on the ball. Tell them I've got a week off work because I'm on the ball with this. So I also picked up this morning. This is the Revolution, the Rose Renaissance collection. I will upload this. So tomorrow will be the chocolate tin one. The day after will be Revolution Pro Goddess Glow collection, complete kind of tutorial and review. And then we'll go into either this one or we will open this one instead. So this is the Revolution cookie tin little gift set as well. So we have a fun week of Christmas gift sets, and the more that kind of come out and the more I can grab my hands on, I'll definitely do it, and I'll do some unboxings with you. Yeah, they will be coming very, very soon, as well as the chocolate tin one. I also have just filmed a review using the W7 Bracy palette. That's what I've got on my eyeballs at the moment, so that'll be coming very, very soon as well. We are just full of videos, boys and girls, full of videos. But today's video is going to be another advent calendar. So this is the Revolution, the advent calendar. This is what she looks like. This is meant to be £80 on the website, currently on Superdrug. I will leave it linked down below. I'll also try and link all of the other ones down below as well that I've mentioned, because I know some of you mentioned that in yesterday's video asking for all the links, so I will do that for today's video for you, just because I love you. So if you watched yesterday's gift set reveal, the advent calendar, the 12 days one, I mentioned that I got these on like an amazing deal on Superdrug. They were like reduced for some weird reason. Who knows? I still do not know why they're reduced, because they have now gone up to full price. But I actually got this £80 advent calendar for £13.71. Excuse me? Excuse me? So let's just get straight into it. So obviously this is what she looks like. So we have 25 boxes, obviously to count down for Christmas and also including Christmas as well. So let's start with number 1. So number 1, it just looks like this. So first up we have a lip gloss. This is in the shade Bite. Very, very nice. Actually would have gone, to make this lip a little bit more berry, would have gone really nicely. Then we have day 2, and day 2 is a brow gel, just a little black brow gel, and the brush just looks like this. So I believe, yeah, it's just a clear brow gel, which is really good because obviously it means that everybody can use it. So we have a brow gel in day 2. Day 3 we have another long one like day 1, so I'm assuming it's probably going to be like a gloss again. Ooh, so I was wrong. It's actually a liquid eyeshadow. So this is in the shade Azalea, and it's like a duochrome shift liquid eyeshadow. So she just looks like this. Again, would have gone really, really nice with today's eye look as well. So that is day number 3. So next up we have day number 4, which is a lipstick. This is one of their like older, like old school kind of packaging lipsticks. This one is in the shade Bite. Ooh, she's nice. That is just what she looks like. I really like the name for that as well. Next up, a long skinny one is number 5. Ooh, okay, what is this? This is a eyeliner, and what colour is she? Oh, if I can, there we go, open it. Ooh, black, perfect. Ooh, okay, she is very pigmented. Wow, okay. Like, I don't know if you can see. Really, really pigmented. Okay, very impressed. So that is day 5. Ooh, so next we have day 6, and this is a different shape one. This feels very, very light. What is in here? Oh, it's a sponge. It's a little sponge. It's not like a little sponge, but it's not like a normal size sponge. But yeah, we have a sponge behind door number 6. I wasn't sure what to expect then. Next up is day number 7, which is another little short one. And this is another lipstick. This one is in the shade Red Roller. So a nice red lipstick. And she just looks like this. This is like a true Christmassy kind of red, like a nice vibrant red. Then we have day 8, which is again a different shaped one. This one you can hear that there's something inside it. Ooh, okay. Oh my god, we have a little eyeshadow quad. I mentioned this in yesterday's video. I absolutely love this kind of scattered like rose gold marble kind of theme that they've gone for this year. I loved the stars last year, but I really like this as well. It's all like raised up as well. So this is a little quad and she just looks like this. We have 3 shimmers and 1 matte in that quad, and that is the Almost There quad. And then right next to number 8 we have number 9, which again is in a different shape tub. Ooh, okay, so this is a blusher in the shade Flirt. Ooh, this is really nice, and that is just what she looks like. She is cute. She is cute. And another long one, we have number 10. Ooh, and number 10 is a squeezy lip gloss. This is a clear one with different kind of glitter reflex in it. I couldn't say a word out there, but this is just what she looks like. And you can see the glitter. You can definitely see it in there. So that is behind door number 10. And then we have another long one for door number 11. And this is another pencil, but but this one is a brow pencil. God, the lids are on tight. So a little brow pencil, let's see what she swatches like. Oh, it's actually a really nice colour. You can see it there. Ooh, okay. It might be a bit hard for some people because it's obviously not going to suit absolutely everybody. But we have a brow pencil. Number 12 sounds heavy, sounds chunky. Let's see what is inside her. Ooh, okay, we have eyeshadow primer. Oh, we got one of these last year because I've put it to one side, but where did I put it? I was using it the other day as a primer for my nose. So yeah, we have a eyeshadow primer. Let's see what she swatches like. Very light, you can see her over here. So obviously it's not going to be one that's going to suit everybody, which is what I said about yesterday's one with the medium eyeshadow primer in there. It's going to be hard to get it where it suits everybody unless it's a clear one. So yeah, eyeshadow primer. I'll let you have your own thoughts and feelings about that. Number 13 we have is this one. Okay. So number 13 is a brow crayon. I thought it felt like chunky. What the? It's clear. I think it's meant to be like a brow wax crayon? Brow crayon. Yeah, it's definitely a wax. You can feel it when you put it on your hand. And then it's like a waxy texture. So it's a crayon to obviously put your brow hairs down. That is different. Okay, so that's behind door 13. And then door 14 is another little funky shaped one. So it might be like a blusher, it might be a highlighter, a bronzer. Who knows? Ooh, okay, it's a bronzer. This is a contour powder in the shade Shape. And this is just what it looks like. It would be one that I would definitely be able to try. I think it probably would work for me. But again, and I will say this, it's hard. I think it's hard with advent calendar because how they're meant to get it so it matches everybody. But then I feel like I don't know, I feel like it's just hard because then people get left out. So for me, that might be able to work. What about for you? Like, let me know in the comments, like, would that be one that you would be able to use or not? Because obviously I'm just one person, so I'd love to know what your opinion is on this advent calendar as well. Then we have the number 15, which is a long one again. And we have another liquid eyeshadow. This one looks really nice. Let's do a little swatcheroo. So this is it up here. Oh, it's really pretty. And that is just what she looks like. Oh my God, how beautiful. And then right next to day 15 is day 16, if I can grab it out. This feels like a heavy one again, so it might be another liquid eyeshadow maybe. Ooh, no, it's a lip gloss. Ooh, and it's a really nice, that's a really nice shade. I'm gonna have to swatch this as well. I'm getting way too excited over this. Oh, that is nice. So you can see, yeah, you can see it up here. Oh, it smells nice. So that is day 16. And then day 17, which is a totally different packaging to what we've had so far. This is a little brush. It again came in the little paper packaging that we had for the brush yesterday, and it's just a little mini eyebrow brush. And I always put these into giveaways or give them to like family and friends because I always lose my mini brushes in pots and whatnot. So yeah, that will be going into a giveaway or to a close family or friend. Day 18, we have this box here, and we have another squeezy tube lip gloss. This is a lip gloss. I don't think it has a shade, to be honest with you. I think it is just the pink colour, and this is just what she looks like, nice and juicy. Then we have day number 19, which again is a little funky shade. I'm guessing this one may be a highlighter because we've had a contour, we've had a blusher so far, so maybe a highlighter. I was right, it's a highlighter. This is a highlighter in the shade Guilty, and she just looks like this. I'm hoping that's coming up on camera because it's kind of washing it out a little bit. Oh my god. So smooth. Can you see it on the outer bit here? Wow. It might be a little bit too dark for me. We're gonna have to try this advent calendar out on my face, 100%. Next up is the most important day in December, the 20th of December, which is mine and Jodie's birthday. And I believe this is probably going to be another little brush just because of the shape of it. I think this is going to be, yeah, a little brush inside of it. So again, we have the little paper packaging because obviously Revolution are trying to reduce their plastic. And then this is just what she looks like, a little mini packing on, or you could use that as a cut crease kind of brush as well. So that is what's behind day number 20, my happy birthday. And then the next day we have is number 21. Ooh, we have a lip liner, okay, which will actually, it's a nice colour that will actually go really, really well with the two lipsticks that we've got. The lid, sweat down. Okay, I can't get the lid off to swatch this for you, and Blake's outside polishing his car, so we're going to have to just wait. It's a red lip liner for day 21. Then we have day 22, which is another different shape that we've not had yet. Ooh, and obviously this is going to be another brush from the looks of it. Yep. So this is a little brush for day 22. Day 23 is a bigger box, so we've not had this shape yet. And okay, I'm not too sure what's going to be inside here. Oh, all that excitement, and it's a pocket mirror. Can we please stop putting these in advent calendars, please? Because everyone in the UK and worldwide is drowning in little pocket mirrors. We don't need them. So yeah, that is what's behind day 23. And then we have day 24, which I think is going to be another brush because it's the same shape as day 22. It is another brush. And this is just what she looks like. This would be really good actually for packing on your base. Okay. And then last but not least, we have day 25, which is the biggest box in the whole advent calendar, the last one as well. And let's see what is inside here. Exciting. We have a full-size eyeshadow palette in the last one. This is the Reloaded The Last Day eyeshadow palette. And this is just what she looks like. So a lot of pinks, gold, a little bit of a purple, couple of browns, but mainly like this kind of pink and gold kind of strong theme to it. So yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes, and the rest are shimmers. So we have 10 shimmers and 5 mattes as well. So that is what is in day 25. So a nice palette for you to put on your face on Crimbo Day. So that is everything that is in this advent calendar. I want to know down below, do you think this is worth £80? If you are wanting to get this advent calendar, they do typically kind of go on sale. So obviously be aware of that they will go, or the most are most likely to go on sale. Obviously we can't guarantee it every year, but typically that's what kind of happens. They kind of go on sale. So yeah, if you are interested, then maybe wait for it to go on sale or see whether it does go on sale. But yeah, this is what she looks like. £80 advent calendar. What do you think? Do you think it's worth the money? Will you be getting one? Are you not ready for Christmas yet? Are you ready for Christmas? Like, please let me know down below, because obviously I know we are starting this really, really early in August, but But once I start releasing them, I'm going to buy them. I'm going to buy them, show you them, and then you can work out whether you want to spend your hard-earned money on them as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow will be the £80 chocolate vault tin. The day after will be the Revolution Pro Goddess Gold collection review, and then the next day will either be the cookie tin reveal, or it'll be the gift set, the pink Renaissance gift set reveal as well. Yeah, I hope I'll see you in a future video. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know if you're enjoying these. Let me know as well if there's any other advent calendars or gift sets that you have seen that you want me to try, that you want me to do a review on. Let me know if there's any certain videos that you want me to do. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope we will see you in a new video very, very soon. Hopefully tomorrow I will see you. Love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.